Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use a SchoolCam on Android. So after you install the app and you launch the app, you will see the login screen right here. So you can go ahead and tap on the Google Drive button, and that should prompt you to select an account that you have. So here is very important to choose your school Google account, right? So here I have basically a demo account, but here on this screen you should be able to view your Google account if you have logged in with your school Google account before. If not, then you need to tap on add another account and log in with your school Google credentials. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. The app will prompt you to give permission to the app to upload files to your Google Drive, and then after that you will land here on the upload queue. This screen is gonna show you the photos that you have taken and that are pending upload, right? So currently, because it's a new installation, you won't have any photos to be uploaded. So you can go ahead and tap on the camera button that will display the camera. So here I'm on a simulator, so therefore this gets simulated the camera. And then here on the top left you have a button to choose what folder you're going to be uploading to. So if you tap that button, it'll show you which is your current upload folder, and you'll be able to choose a folder. So this only appears if your administrator set up the school account to let you upload to personal Google Drive folders. If they disable that, then this folder will not show up. Okay, and then you have the folders that are assigned to you. So you will likely see some folders that are shared among the staff, and you will see this folder here called user, and then the name of the of your email address. Okay, so that is your personal folder within the school folders. So if I tap here, then I'll start taking photos directly to that folder. So I'll go ahead and take a couple photos here, and then I will go back to the upload screen. And okay, so they uploaded really quickly, so I will not see them on the upload queue. They're already uploaded. If you want a bit more control on the uploads, you can tap the settings button and you can disable upload immediately. Okay, so what that's gonna do is that next time you take a photo, okay, then and I go back here, then the photo will be here on the upload queue. And this allows me to see and perhaps delete some photos that may not upload. So it allows one step before getting all the photos uploaded. If I tap this button, I can select it. I can potentially change where that photo will upload to, or delete it. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this one. I'm gonna go back here. And then another thing I wanted to show you is here in the options tab, you have the option to show the grid and level and a few things. But this setting here, edit plus annotate, if you turn it on, what is going to happen is when I take a photo, then the app will show me the photo I took. I will be able to draw on the image or even record a voice note, but you can also change the name of this photo, so it's easier to identify if you want it. So for example, I can just call these like project A or whatever, and then hit save. That photo goes directly to the upload queue, and when I'm ready I can start uploading these photos. Again, by default, there is the upload immediately. It's turned on. You can choose whether you want those photos to go immediately or if you want to save or have them saved first to the upload queue, and then you can process them. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use it. Quick summary, which is very important. This menu here will tell you where to save the photos. Once you selected, the app will remember the folder where you are saving or uploading to, and then you can always find those photos in your Google Drive. So if you go here to your share drives, or I'm sorry, to share with me, you will be able to see the folders that you've been assigned to and your user folder there as well. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Support at schoolcamapp.com. Thank you.